Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas.
So I just got home and my mid pipe isn't even in a box, just like on my doorstep. This is ridiculous. Thanks. This is the last time that my LX is gonna be like obnoxiously loud because the mid pipe goes on today. Just a little preview of what it used to sound like. Yeah, pretty damn obnoxious if you ask. And I'm underneath right now. I'm looking at my mid pipe. And as you guys see, it is rusted off right there. What I noticed right here is the bolts are rusted into the muffler piping, into this coil right here. Luckily for me, I actually have another muffler at my house for a 2000 Civic LX. I ordered the wrong part, ordered the muffler instead of the mid pipe. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take the muffler off and the mid pipe off, and I am going to attach the new mid pipe to the new muffler. I also have new brackets at the house, so these things are just gonna come off because these things are like rusted into the brackets already, and I don't feel like dealing with that. One bracket is off, 1 and 2 more to go. Second bracket is off. I still gotta get this off the top. I could probably just manage to get that out somehow. Gotta get this last one off right here, and I should be all set, and then I could start attaching the mid pipe to my new muffler. The muffler and the mid pipe are officially off. Now we can actually take a better look at the bolt, and I'll explain to you why I did this instead of just disconnecting the mid pipe from the muffler. So there was a couple things actually. As you guys see right here, the gasket is like completely just rusted onto the muffler. I could probably clean that up, yeah, and take it off and put a new gasket on there, but I figured I'd just use my new parts since I have them. I might as well. It was only like 50 bucks for the new one anyway. Another reason these are really rusted out, like I said, it wasn't the end of the world. Could have used it, but I decided, hey, why not? I already have a new muffler, so might as well throw that one on. Another thing is, guys, looking at the pipe over here where my mid pipe is gonna go to, these bolts are all rusted out as well, so I'm spraying them with some WD-40 tonight, and hopefully I could get those off tomorrow. Figured I wouldn't be a racer if I didn't take off the hubcaps, so like, you know, I had to do that. It wouldn't be the beater if it didn't have hubcaps. Or wait, it wouldn't be a beater if it did have hubcaps. These, so all 4 are off. Official racer right here. And I'm gonna close things up for tonight. Getting a little tired. Getting this whole thing off was kind of a pain due to all the rust and just wear and tear on this car. All the bolts were locked tight, just not really easy or fun to work with. Another thing is, if you shake the muffler, there's like stuff all inside of it, which I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm sure it can't be good. With the new one, really can't hurt anything. Yeah, hopefully this is actually the last time that I have to listen to this noise, but well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Tomorrow we're gonna get that the mid pipe and the muffler on, so stay tuned for that little vlog. And the starter is actually out of the SI, so I just got to put it in now. I managed to get the bolts off somehow. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace out.